Hopefully it's going to keep working this time. So here's clean. There are a little bit rough at the edge of the frets. I think it's going to need a little bit of filing. I wouldn't call it fret sprout, but there's some jagged edges and need to be smoothed out a little bit. The other Harley Bentons, I bought 2 jazz basses. They both needed the nut lowered substantially, and this one does not as much, but somewhat. The nut's down in the E and A string. The nut is too high, and it's gonna push it out of tune and give you high action. So I'll do that, and I think it's gonna play fine. Sorry, I didn't. It's still going out of tune, but that's gonna change the more I play it. And there's bass pickup, treble pickup, in the middle position. Here's the distortion. In the middle position. That's a little better. Here's the bass pickup. Treble pickup. Remember, I'm a bass player, I'm not a lead guitarist, but I will use this for recording, and I'll play a little bit of lead. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.